In this video, we will see how to open copy of the Excel file without opening the original Excel file. Let's start. This is my Excel sheet. Just click on the File tab. You can see here the recent data, recent Excel file. You just open it. Okay. So I just want to create the copy of any one Excel sheet, Excel file. I'm just taking this income sheet. Just right click of the mouse, you get here option open a copy. When you open it, the name of this Excel file is income sheet is automatically added the one. Okay, this original Excel file is not open, only copy of the Excel file is open. Just click on open a copy. You can see here the income sheet one is open. This is a copy of that Excel file. Okay, this is not original Excel file. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.